Dude, me and David. Just look. Excuse me again. Oh God! Look at this! Look at this!
You ready?
We're running. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Ow! Damn it! Ow! Oh my God, my head! Oh! Oh!
Y'all was running, got hit in the head.
Wow. That's fun. Oh wow. Screen's all wet.
Now what are we gonna do? Run back?
Let's wait a couple minutes. Or a second. Dude, we should drive around on this.
Hit the button, I can get it.
Nice. Dude, you know this stuff's getting put on YouTube. Oh, dude, it's barely even hailing now.
It's coming back now. There's gonna be a tornado.
Dude, it better not. It better just be hail.
Oh, there'll be a tornado.
Dude, tornadoes come before the storm. Yeah, they do.
We're gonna do one. We're gonna.
Oh.
We're gonna do run back.
Dude, I'm gonna pick up one and eat it.
Do it.
I am.
Get one.
Ah.
Oh, mud there, bud. That's great. Eat it.
Dude, hang on. Hold that. I'm gonna. Don't want to get rats in my mouth. Rats in my mouth. I feel like a fool with rats in my mouth. Dude, I'm looking so blurry right now. Look at my screen.
Yeah, no.
I'm scared. Oh, okay. We got it. Hail. Hail. Oh my God.
What?
That's so hard.
Look down that way, see that water coming out of that pipe down that way. See this downspout here? Coming out, see it's coming out the other down on the house.
Dude, nice.
Right on. What do you want to do on that?
Dude, let's kind of like walk. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Uh-huh. Oh, it broke. Ooh. Moo. Moo.
There's a broom in the way.
Dude, we can break it. Teamwork right there, buddy. Dude. Oh my God, you know what we should do?
What?
Get a bag and start collecting all the hail and then put it in the freezer for tomorrow. And like start throwing it at people. What? Yeah, bitch. Oh, nice. Nice.
What?
Nice.
What?
Dude. Whoa! Ah! Yeah, right in the back. Dude, I love you, Grandpa.
What?
You're my booty call. Oh, you don't know what you mean to me, but I'm saying please. It's raining hail.
Dude, I'm gonna play some basketball.
Dude, I'm gonna play basketball with the moon because I got the whole world at my feet. Playing touch football on Marijuana Street. You are so beneath my feet. I think that's it. Whoa. Magic. 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 I don't know. Dude, what do I ever talk about?
Everything.
I mean, usually I just tell story after story that somehow, like, relates to the other. Even though they just come off the top of my head. Dude. We're fucked. Oh, I didn't get it. Touch rim. I mean, touch. I just saw lightning.
Yeah, I don't.
In the camera, I think. Oh shit! Jump. Dude, I'm watching. Dude. Oh god. Did it just pop? Oh. The basketball just popped. Dude, that's awesome. That's YouTube material. Dude. Teabagged you. Oh, nice.
Dude, I'm gonna get a baseball.
Ow! Ow, my foot! Dude. David. Dude. Video is over.